everyone, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious enchiladas rojas. These are so delicious. They're stuffed with cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is Requesón, and they're super good. If you guys want to see how I make them, keep watching. For this recipe, we're going to start off by making the salsa for the enchiladas. I'm going to be using 2 chiles ancho, 4 chiles de árbol, and 6 guajillo chiles. To that, we're also going to add 1 Roma tomato, 1/4 of a white onion, and 2 garlic cloves. And we're going to add 3 cups of water. And now it's time to boil them. We're going to boil them for about 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and our chiles are now ready. Now we're going to transfer everything into the blender and some of the water. To that, we're also going to add 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 clove. And now we blend. Now I'm going to add some salt to taste. And we blend for a few more seconds. I set my griddle on low-medium heat, and I'm going to add some oil. And we're going to spread it around. Once the oil is hot, we're going to dip the tortillas, and we're going to start frying them. We're going to fry them on each side for a couple of seconds. We flip them just like this. Once they're fried and soft, we're going to add cottage cheese. You can add as much as you'd like. A lot of people like to stuff them with chicken, papas. I personally love cottage cheese. These are done, and we're going to take them out. Miren qué ricas se ven. And we'll do the same for the rest of the tortillas. Just make sure you don't overcook your tortillas because they will break very easily. These are so delicious, and it's such an inexpensive meal. Perfect for when you have a family gathering. They're so easy to make. We close them up. The amount of salsa that I made is good for about 30 enchiladas. Now we're going to top them off with some Queso Cotija. All this is to your liking, so you can add as much as you like. Some Crema Mexicana. And last, some cebolla curtida. And there you have it, delicious Enchiladas Rojas. Okay guys, my favorite part, but no me voy a comer todas, así es que me voy a echar unas cuantas. 2 is good for now. Okay. But I gotta add a little bit more crema. Y ahora sí. Ya se armó. Cheers. So good. Y la cebollita, perfect. If you haven't tried these with Requesón, they're the best. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you've not yet subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!